Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse, and let's show you these rimmed English soup bowl plates. Soup bowls really. Let's give you the side elevation so you can get a feel for these. There you go. Nice classic wide rimmed soup bowls. These are 9.75 inch, so they don't quite make the cut off at 10 inch for a soup plate. As defined by me, to be honest with you. The old ironstone ones are substantially bigger than this, usually about 10 to 10.5 inches and a lot heavier. These are very nice. Having said that, Wedgwood, made in Eturia England, Wedgwood Strawberry Fruit, got Wedgwood impress marks there. 3WP rationing marks on these, so it dates it to just post-war through 1950s, and the decorators pattern reference there really nicely defined by the hand-applied brushstroke 3906. So condition wise, a little bit of glaze crazing on these, age related, little cracks that occur in the glaze, but overall, as you can see, nice and clean and bright, hardly a knife mark on there. And the rims on these, Strawberry Fruit is prone, this little umber banding that they use as opposed to a gilt rim, does tend to chip, but this one's in really good condition, good order, and all 5 of these soup plates, as you can see if I rotate the stack, in really good order. Just one little nick there on one of these plates, as you can see, but hardly anything. And I'm sure if you look through your own collection, if you're buying these as replacements, you will have similar age-related wear on them. So overall, very bright, nice clean condition. Wedgwood Strawberry Fruit, this lovely, very simple pastel colour with the yellow and red strawberries hanging in a sort of vine-like design all around the rim. A little bit of block work and then that linear line. Nice English rim soup plates, Wedgwood, 1950s, 5 of them, going on sale individually, and we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the Vintage and Antiques website listing. Thanks for watching.